So that was our public nurse, Sir Nico Cabrales. Next, to give her up. Let us all welcome our municipal mayor, Honorable Myra Apido Cabrales.
A very nutritious good morning to all of you. Of course, kanina tagaan natin Iko at kapanan ng mga British here in Bayawan Municipal. Again, nabati na kayo? Ha? So, a very nutritious and good morning to all of you. Morning, our Municipal Vice Mayor, Benedicto Corpin, at kaupong niya at ang mga konsihales, at Emilian Bernahe, Ernie Citizen, and of course, Ronaldo Estacion. Kaupong natin ang mga barangay captains who are here, and barangay officials, the department heads, mga taga-academic, headed by our business personnel, Berhak, to the PNS, to the RC staff, to the DOH personnel, deputy nurses, to all of you, a very good morning. So today, we are celebrating not only the nutrition month, but as well the disaster awareness, and of course, ang ating liwat, PWD month celebration. So this all, we are here gathered together today because we are creating awareness, especially at Nutrition Month, in order for us to be aware of how we have to have a healthy living. Because being in a healthy living condition will also be having a healthy municipality. So that is why all the activities and mga programa today are there to how to address the malnutrition, the disaster prevention, and of course the PWDs. So to all of you, let us sit back, relax, para natin makita iba-iba yung mga programa, disaster, presentator, na ating taga-RSU. So at the juncture also, I would like also to say congratulations at mga RSU staff, especially Nandok Gabi, for this successful celebration of this Nutrition Month. So I give it a thank you very much. Good morning and have a pleasant day ahead.
So that was our municipal mayor, Honorable Myra Apido Cabrales.